Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to continue the tutorial part in web scraping using Beautiful Soup. So last time we scraped all the company links and their descriptions separately. So that might cause some problem if one of them is missing, or let's say sometime mismatch might occur. So now let's scrape all the data from the particular company and the required all the details that are present in respective to particular company in this website. So for that I have already started the Jupyter notebook, so you can see the video from the part 1. I will be keeping it in description section as well. So for now I will create a new notebook and I will give it a name, details scraper. You can rename it, name it anything you like. So my first job would be to import Beautiful Soup as we did. Okay, just let me copy it from here. So I will import request as well. So this is a code part of the last tutorial. So my URL would be same. I will be extracting from this URL. So I will need to make a response object. It is also going to be the same. Then I will need a extract all the source code. I will do it by this. Then I will have to make it as my I have to pass the HTML using HTML parser. So this all are explained already. I have already explained these all in the part 1, so you can check it out. So now each company, let's say, is this div is associated in, let us inspect in this class name. So you can directly use this whole class name, or you can use this text center only. So I will be using text center. So for company list part, what I'm gonna do is soup dot find all. I'm gonna find all the class with class name. Okay, let's first be sure and copy all this thing. I copied this all thing because this class w dash full is also available. Look here as well, but we don't need to extract the this thing. We don't need to extract this, right? So we will copy all this whole class name from here to here, and I will give it a class name as this one. So let's see, yeah. So now I will have to loop in this company list section to get all the details. So I will loop now for company in company list. So my first thing job is to extract this title. So let us see where this title is in S2 class with a class name text dash to Excel. So I will extract the title from title equals to company dot find. So I'm using your find function because we are just looking at the one single div. If we have to look over in overall website, we will use find all because there might be many div with this class name, so we need all of them. And after, while looping, we will just need to use dot find method because we are extracting data from one single div. So my class name is h2 and my class is text that to XL. Okay, I will need the text data from it. So next thing is I will need to extract this description as well as. So my description is in test grade 904 900 class. So I will have to extract that. So my description would be in company dot. I made a mistake here. This is H2. So I type in mistake. Company dot find. I will be using div class and my class name would be text that. Let me copy it from here so that I can avoid the mistake. So I don't need many. I will just this much is enough. So this would be my class and my description would also be the txt text. So I will also describe the website equals to. Let me see where is the website link. Okay, the website link is in a tag in href attribute. So I will need to get the value of href. So for this I will be using company dot find my a tag. Alright, I don't have class name here, so I will just get href value of href attribute. So I have script title, description, and website. So let us test by printing it. So I will print title as title. I will be printing description in next line. So slash n, and my description will be description. And again, I will be printing in next line. That will be website. So my website will be website. So if we print it, so the title is not defined. Let me see where I made a mistake. TITL title. TITL title. I don't think there is one dot finance to dot text. Hmm. Oh, I wrote this in out of the for loop. Sorry, my bad. So I'll have to print it over here. So if I print it, let me just delete this line. Did it print? It didn't. I did a silly mistake. I wrote class name here. Uh, Such a silly mistake. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. So I got a title as remote letter, and my description is this thing, and my website is this. Again, next is title this, description this, and my website is this. So we can look over from here. Closest tools is my title, and browser extension is my description. So closest tool is my title, and browser is my description. This is my website. So what if we need to extract this thing as well? 35.4 MRR and uses basic statistics. So now let's scrape those, and for that I will need to inspect those. So they are in P class with inline block. Remember there are two P class with the same class name. So for that I will be giving as revenue equals to company dot find all P, my tag name, and my class would be what, inline block. So since there are two paragraph tag, I will just index it, and I will be getting its value. So now I will need to take users as well. So I will just copy this because most of things are same, and I will give as name as users equals to second C OMP a company dot find dot p class within that blocks. Now it will be indexing first second element from the p class 9 block. So all right, now let's print this thing also, this website I have, and then I will be printing revenue. Revenue would be revenue, and my users, total number of users would be users. So let me print it out. So here I get, so close it, name, title is close as well, description is this, and website I got it, revenue here is 35.40k, 35.40k, and I got users, I print out users, it's users. Okay, users is nothing over here. So for let me check for Gumroad. Then second I have its Hubstat. Okay, Gumroad revenue is 808.0k. 808.0k MRR, then 26.6k is my users. So users is 26.6k users. Set of stuff. So it follows the similar. We have extracted all the data related to this single div or related to this single company. So in this way we can uh, just scrape the details of a company, or let's say any jobs if it's given in list page. Alright, so we just need to loop in here. So if we need to crawl in from this link as well, we can also do this because we have already got link, and then we will fetch this link similarly as of this requested get URL, and we will provide the website link, and we can also crawl to this page from here. So yeah, you guys can research on that. So it's a basic tutorial. So we can scale this by making part 3 as well. As let me know if I should make it in part 3. Probably we can save all this data in separate Excel file or say CSV file or any other file by using the file handling of the Python. So yeah, thank you for liking and sharing my channel. So keep subscribing if you are new to it, and let me know if I have to improve on anything. So thank you.